Hello artists, my name is Sajid Rahim. I'm a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today this video is about shirt pack video, and it's basically a guide video so you can see and understand how to use this premium shirt pack. I have created this shirt pack with Glow 3D, Blender, Marmoset Toolbag 5 and I also use some other software for the help for texturing and some more. But these main software used to create this shirt pack. I also have created this animated video which is created inside Glow 3D, Marmoset Toolbag 5 and Adobe After Effects. So you can see this video is it's a promo of this video, and this shirt comes with 8K texture which is very high detailed, and this shirt comes with 3 UDM tiles. Each UDM tile is 8K, so it's very high realistic. So before starting, please take a look this promo and we will then proceed. Okay, pretty cool, right? Okay, now we have this Marmoset Toolbag 5 project file. Please understand that this project file will only work inside Marmoset Toolbag 5 because Marmoset Toolbag 5 comes with you can say Marmoset Toolbag 5 comes with UDEMs and it supports UDEMs, so that's why this 3D shirt will work only inside Marmoset Toolbag 5. I also have a Blender file and Glow 3D file, but this Marmoset Toolbag 5 project file will not work in Marmoset Toolbag 4. This will only work inside Marmoset Toolbag 5. Okay, when you import this file to your Marmoset Toolbag 5, maybe you see this message and maybe you see that textures are missing. So don't worry, just simply click on this search in folder button and locate where your textures are. Here you can see I have these textures. Each UDEM tile is 8K and these are total 15 designs. It's a 15 premium pack. I also have other packs with 3 shirts. Each pack comes with 3 different shirt design and variations. So that's different, but this package is with 15 different designs, you can see. So you can relocate the texture and it will find, and don't worry about this shirt OBJ, just skip on it, don't worry, because I think it's a bug. My file is already in there, but it's a bug, so don't worry. Just click and on the continue button, it will load all the textures and model. Here you can see we have a model here. Here we have some materials, and you can see we have a tag material here and some stitching material because we also have 3D stitching. Here you can see, so these materials are for these 3D stitching, and we have these 3 groups like arm group, shirt front, and bands plus strips. Okay, each folder is it comes with 15 designs, 15 materials. Okay, so and these are all materials comes with UDEMs. We have to go to this texture panel and we have to enable this UDEM. You don't need to because I already have done this, so you don't need to make this don't need to change this. If you change this material will not work on it. So Marmoset Toolbag 5 comes with UDEM, so that's why it's working. So here you can see, if we see here arm 1, just drag and drop on the arm 1 and it will replace the arm 1, and here is a folder called front shirt. Okay, this is the material 1 or style 1. So I'm gonna just drag and drop on it, so you can see it's in there. And for the cuffs and bands, we have this another folder, and we can use this 1 means this is the design 1. If we use design 2 or 3 or 4, it will be different, like here you can see. So basically you can see arm 1, arm 2, arm 3, front 1, front 2, front 3. These all are different textures. Okay, these all are different designs. And here is a, you can see front texture is 11. Front, I'm gonna put this front, so I have to then go to the arm section, and I have to go to this arm 11 for the arms. Okay, I hope you understand. And then I have to go to the ribs, and I have to find bands 11. Okay, then drag and drop to the ribs and bands, so it will be on there. So this is how you can use these UDEM textures. All are 8K, very high detailed. So you can use your own creativity. And I also have these other shirts without any graphics, so you can put your graphics on these 8K textures and create your own design for this shirt mockup. So guys, I also have this stitching folder. This is a PNG file, and it's a stitching file without any background. If you wish to use this 2D stitching, you can also use these. You can import these to Photoshop, and you can change the hue and saturation of the stitching, and then put it onto the top of your design. So your stitching will be there with your custom color. Okay, so this is just for your help to do your creativity easily. I also have these main texture files, the normal map, roughness, opacity and metalness. So all maps are linked with these materials, so you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to drag and drop the design. If we like this design 6, this is the band 6, so band 6 put here, and then we have to go to the front one, and front 6 put onto the front, and then we have to go to the arm section and arm 6. Here is the arm 6, just drag and drop to the arm section, and now we have a shirt design 6. Okay, I hope you get it. And we can also create turntable is already created. We can increase or decrease the length of the turntable animation. Here you can put maybe 10 if you want to increase the duration of the turntable. So this is how you can use this. And for the animated ABC file, here is animated shirt ABC file. We put in there, and we can also add any design on it, and we just need to pick a one texture. It will automatically load all the texture and use them to all other channels. So if I hide this shirt and if I play this, you can see how cool is this. and if you wish, unlock the camera and just move forward and see how it's looking and do your own creativity on it. I also have this already, this file, short animation volume file. I will also put this in the zip file, so you don't need to set anything because it's already set up. So just go to the camera front, and if you scrub here, it's side, and it's now invisible to the camera, and now it will come. You can crop from behind, but now it will come to the front. It will stay 2 to 3 seconds and then it will go to the side. Okay, same like the video I showed you before. By the way, one more tip: if you go to the camera and here you will see text clarity option. Here you can see, if we increase this clarity slider, shirt will be more clear and it will look more natural and more realistic, because clarity basically creates more depth to the texture. So we can also decrease it, everything will go too smooth, but if we increase it, you can see how crisp and sharp result we are getting. So don't go too crazy. I think 50 to 60 is enough. It's very high detailed, but if you are taking any close-up shots, then you can also increase the slider, increase the amount, and you can see how sharp and how realistic is this. So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.